सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिवाक्याय पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कारः। स्वागतं। तत्र कक्षा संख्या वर्तते 340 कक्षा 343rd क्लास टुडे ऑन विदुरनीति। विदुरनीतेः पठन पाठनं संजायते अत्र प्रचलति। पठनं पाठनं च संप्रवर्तते। एतावत्पर्यन्तं भवन्तः जानन्ति 870 श्लोकाः 100 श्लोकात् 870 श्लोकाः पठिताः। तैः सह एतैः श्लोकैः सह बहवः संख्यां न जाने तत्र संबद्ध श्लोकाः अपि पठिताः अस्माभिः। गतकक्षायां वस्तुतः 870तमः श्लोकः समाप्तः आसीत्। तस्य सम्बद्धौ 2 श्लोकौ अत्र दत्तौ अस्ति पुस्तके। एकः श्लोकः समाप्तः, द्वितीयः श्लोकः शेषः अस्ति। शेषं द्वितीयं श्लोकम् अद्य श्रीनिवासः पठति। वयम् अग्रे सरामः। सुभाषितरत्नभाण्डागारात् स्वीकृतम् एतत् पद्यम्। मंत्रभेदेपि
ये दोषा भवन्ति पृथिवीपतेः न
शक्यास्ते
समाधातुमिति
नीतिविदां मतम्। पदच्छेदं करोतु। मंत्रभेदे अपि ये दोषाः भवन्ति पृथिवीपतेः न शक्याः ते समाधातुम् इति नीतिविदां मतम्। मंत्रभेदे सति अपि मंत्रस्य भेदे संजाते सति when the secret plan is opened up, leaked, श्रीनिवास, यथा मंत्रः भिन्नः भवति, मंत्र गोपनं यदा न भवति मंत्रस्य भेदनं भवति, भिन्नः भवति। मंत्रभेदे अपि ये दोषाः भवन्ति पृथिवीपतेः राज्ञः ये दोषाः भवन्ति। इतः पूर्वम् अस्माभिः पठितं मंत्राः न कदापि तत्र मंत्राः रक्षितव्याः इति। मंत्रितं रक्षितव्यं मंत्रः रक्षितव्यः इति। यत् क्रियमाणं कार्यं भवति तदपि न उद्घाटनीय, तद् न जनैः ज्ञातव्यं। तदपि गोप्य किं गोपनीयं भवति क्रियमाणं कार्यम्। एवमेव मंत्रः सर्वथा सर्व अवस्थायां राज्ञा गुप्तः एव भवेत्। यदि तादृशस्य मंत्रस्य भेदनं भवति, मंत्रभेदेपि यदि मंत्रः भिन्नः भवति, इफ द सीक्रेट प्लान गेट्स एक्सपोज्ड, तत्र दोषाः भवन्ति, देयर विल बी मिस्टेक्स। कस्य दोषाः? पृथिवीपतेः ये दोषाः भवन्ति। वॉट एवर सी आउटकम, द रिजल्ट, द डिफेक्ट्स ऑफ द कॉन्सिक्वेंस, detrimental consequences coming out of the leakage of the planning comes to the king. Prithvipatehe ye doshaah bhavanti. Here Prithvipatehe saptami. Whatever defects or detrimental results come to the king when the plan is exposed. Mantra bhede. Na shakyaah te samadhatum iti te doshaah समाधातुम न शक्याः, they cannot be answered later. Experts in the policy tell that if the secret planning of the king is exposed, and the faults come to the king, they cannot be explained. They cannot be explained. Te na shakyaha. Te nama atra te doshaha. Ye doshaha पृथिवीपतेः राज्ञः भवन्ति मन्त्रभेदे ते दोषाः न शक्याः किं न शक्याः समाधातुम् इति समाधातुं न शक्याः they are not possible to be answered, they cannot be remedied or answered. नीति विदाम मतम इति, this is the opinion of the experts in policy. Therefore what is the sum and substance? कः सारः अत्र श्लोकस्य सारः एवमस्ति, सर्व अवस्थासु राजानः मंत्राणि मंत्रान् मंत्रशब्द पुल्लिंग मंत्रान् तत्र गोप्य रूपेण एव स्थापयेयुः इति. They should keep them secret by all means, by all situations, in all situations. If it gets exposed, then the fault comes to the kings and they cannot be answered. Okay? Mantra bhede api ये दोषाः, सिंपल श्लोक ओनली, भवन्ति पृथिवीपतेः राज्ञः न शक्याः ते दोषाः समाधातुं न शक्याः. ते दोषाः, ये दोषाः आगच्छन्ति ते दोषाः समाधातुं न शक्यन्ते इति केषां मतं? नीतिविदां मतं, नीति विदुषां मतमस्ति. सो दैट इज व्हाट सम पोएम सेज हियर, सुभाषित. द एकोन अशीतितमः श्लोकः शीर्षम् एवमस्ति, चत्वारः मन्त्रेण वर्ज्याः. 4 things are to be avoided by mantra. Now let us see what it is.
चत्वारि राज्ञातु महाबलेन वर्ज्यान्याहुः पंडितस्तानि विद्यात् अल्पज्ञैः सह मंत्रं न कुर्यात् न दीर्घसूत्रैः
रभसैश्चारणैश्च चत्वारि राज्ञातु महाबलेन वर्ज्यान्याहुः पंडितस्तानि विद्यात् अल्पज्ञैः सह मंत्रं न कुर्यात् न दीर्घसूत्रैः रभसैश्चारणैश्च. पदच्छेदम्.
चत्वारि राज्ञा
तु
महाबलेन
वर्ज्यानि
आहुः पंडितः तानि विद्यात् अल्पज्ञैः सह मंत्रं न कुर्यात् न दीर्घसूत्रैः रभसैः चारणैश्च.
अन्वयार्थम.
महाबलेन राज्ञा चत्वारि तु वर्ज्यानि आहुः.
Okay, महाबलेन राज्ञा, even by a mighty king, महाबलेन राज्ञा नृपेण चत्वारि वर्ज्यानि आहुः. They say 4 things are to be kept out or avoided. Varja means sorry, should be avoided. 4 things must be avoided, are to be avoided by even by a powerful king. No, Panditah. So a scholar king, Panditah Raja Tani Vidyat, he should know that. A scholarly king should know that. Ravasaihi. So who are those, what are those? Kani tani chatvari varjyani santi ke te purushaha chatvarah tatra chatvarah purushaha vastutah atra varnitaha santi te purushaha varjyaha bhavanti rajna mahabalena rajnapi prathamaha alpagnaha alpagnaihi sahavasam na kuryat दीर्घसूत्रैः अपि पुरुषैः राजा न सहवासं कुर्यात् रभसैः रभस नाम तत्र शीघ्र कर्म कर्तृभिः ये शीघ्रं कर्तुम् इच्छन्ति रभसा रभसैः चारणैः and with this charana means people who are always given to flattering, charana. Singers and actors, they are called wandering people, actors and sycophants. Angla bhashayam sycophant, charana. So etaihi chatvaraihi saha mantram na kuryat kena mahabalena api rajna. So that is it. Okay. Yeah, dirgha sutra is a word. You know, literally dirgha means long, sutra means thread. This fellow goes on stretching the work. A fellow, Dirgha Sutri is a fellow who goes on postponing things, goes on literally stretching the work. He goes on stretching. So, procrastinator, Angla Bhashayam. One who goes on procrastinate, postpone. He keeps on postponing things, Dirgha Sutri. Charana is one, a wandering person or an actor, singer. Kings generally entertain singers and actors. So, a king should not share his secret thoughts with these people because it will be leaked. They should be kept out, because what is the duty of Charana, a singer or an actor? He goes on praising the king all the time, whether the king is right or wrong. Even if the king is wrong, the Charana will be praising only. So why should a king, an intelligent Pandita, a scholarly king, entertain such people? These people are dangerous, because through them his planning will be leaked. So king should keep out of these four people. Alpagnehi means Alpam Janati iti Alpagneha, one who knows very little. Dirgha Sutram means procrastinators. And then Rabasa means people who do actions very speedily. Rabasa means people who do work rashly, harshly. Like Yaha Avichintya Karyam Kartum Tvarate. It is explained in the book here, in the Bhavartha Srinivas. Yaha Avichintya Avicharya Karyam Kartum Tvarate. One who hastens to do things without proper thought. Such a person is called Rabasa. Rabasa means speed, one who wants to do things, at a thoughtless level. Charana, yaha kevalam mukhastutau rataha. Charana is one who always interested in praising the king. Like a bard, we say bards are there with the kings sometimes. So that is it. Bhavartha you can read.
राज्ञा कैः सह मंत्रणा न करणीया इति अस्मिन् पद्ये उच्यते.
So this poem tells you Rajna, by the king, kaihi saha, with whom mantrana na karaniya, counseling should not be done. Iti asmin padye uchati. This poem describes with whom should not the king consult.
Mahabalena rajna chaturbihi saha mantrana na karaniya.
So even by a great powerful king, four people should not be consulted. They are Techa, Dirgha Sutri, Pratikaryam. So Dirgha Sutri is one, Yaha Pratikaryam Mahata Vilambena Karoti. Karyam na karoti parantu karyam tatra karyam tantumiva tanoti. He goes on stretching the work. So he is Sutri. One who hastens to do thing without proper thought. Avichintya, avicharya. So one who is interested only in praising the king. That is. So such people should not be entered. Charana. So I think English is okay. Flatterers. Sycophants also we can say. Charana is a sycophant. So here Rabasa has several meanings in speed, fierce, force, violent, etc. Rabasaha. So people who do things in a very speedy manner.
Vidyat, Vidhi.
Yeah, Vidyat. Where is it?
Tani Vidya.
Vidyat. Vidya, that we have already seen. Vidyat, Vidyatam, Vidyuhu. One should know. Vidyat means Janiyat. Janiyat, Vidyat, Vidyatam, Vidyuhu. This is Vidiling, third person singular number. Any more?
Kuryat.
Yeah, Kuryat is also same thing. Kuryat. Sambandha. Everywhere the print goes on Sambandha Shloka, although there are two poems. You can take one. This is Manusmriti, Sambandha, not from Viduraniti. Tatrastitaha prajaha sarvaha pratinandya visarjayet. Now, previous to this shloka says a king should engage people in assembly. King always comes to the assembly. Sabhayameva Raja Sarvan Tatra Sabhyan Milati. So Tatra Stitaha, standing there, Kutra Sabhayam. Standing there means in the Sabha. Sabhayam Stitaha, Prajaha Sarvaha Pratinandya, wishing all the people Visarjayet, then the king should dismiss them. Sarvan Praja, Sarvaha Tatra Prajaha Santi Kalu. Prajaha Tatra Agachanti. Taha Sarvaha Praja. Praja Shabda is Strilinga. Therefore here Prajaha Sarvaha is there. Sarva Shabda. Tan Sarvan Janan. If you use Pullinga Jana Shabda, Sabhayam Agatan Sarvan Janan Pratinandya Abhinandya Tan Visarjayet. King should dismiss them having greeted them there standing in the assembly. Understand? Tatra stitaha means tatra sabhayam stitaha rajna sarvaha prajaha abhinandya tan taha prajaha tan janan visarjayet. He should dismiss them having greeted them all standing in the assembly hall of the audience. Okay, next. Visrujya. Visarjayet is again potential mode. Visarjayet, visarjayetam, visarjayeyuhu. With surujya, having dismissed them. Apruchya, having lyabanta. Cha prajaha sarvaha. Prajaha sarvaha with surujya tyaktva. Not tyaktva, visrujya means dismissing them. Mantrayet mantribihi saha. Mantribihi saha raja mantrayet. Then he should discuss policy matters with the ministers. Mantribihi saha prajasu gatasu sarvasu prajasu gatasu eva rajna mantribihi chintanam karaniyam iti. When all the people are gone, king should consult with his ministers, not in the presence of the people. So that is prajaha sarvaha prajaha visrujya, having dismissed all the people, mantribihi saha mantrayet raja. So is it clear? So that is what Manu says. Mantribihi saha mantrayet. Now we earlier read, you remember the poem? In what place should a king engage? In a secluded place, Ratrauva, Aranye, Vishodite, Aranye, Ratrauva, or in the palace of the king, etc. Now again, Srinivas, this is to be understood by you. Praja is Strilinga, therefore Sarva Shabda is also Sarvanama Shabda, Strilinga is used. Sarvaha Prajaha, this is Dvitiya Bahuvachanam. It is the same in Prathama also. Praja, Praje, Prajaha, Prajam, Praje, Prajaha. Sarva, Sarve, Sarvaha, Sarvam, Sarve, Vivachana, Sarvaha, Sarvaha, Prajaha. The rest is simple. You have identified Visrujya is Lyap Prayoga, Levanta. Next.
Antasarai kutilaihi
Achidraihi should be, there is a mistake. Achidaihi is there. Achidraihi.
Achidraihi.
Suparikshitaihi.
Mantribhir daryate rajyam sustam bhairiva mandiram.
This is a poem from Subhashita Ratna Bhandagara. Antaha saraihi. Akutilaihi. Yes. Akutilaihi. Everywhere Visarga Sandhi. Akutilaihi. And then Achidraihi. Achidra means, Chidram means fault. Chidram means fault here. Flaw. Achidraihi, faultless. Dosha rahitaihi. Chidram nama dosha. Dosha rahitaihi. Antasaraihi, who are very strengthy from inside. Antasara means people or ministers who are who have the internal strength. Antasara nama balamatra. Antarbalaihi. Antasaraihi nama antarbalaihi. Yesham antakaranam antaha adhikam balam vartate. Te antasara. Sara nama tatra balam. Akutilaihi, na kutilaihi, akutilaihi. Those people who are not crooked. See, people who are strong from within. Antasara means people who are strong from within. Akutilai, who are very straightforward, not crooked. Kutila means crooked. Akutilaihi, with people who are not crooked. Achidrai, people who have no faults. Faultless people, uncrooked and very strong inside. Etadrushaihi suparikshitaihi, and people who are been totally examined. Etadrushaihi suparikshitaihi. With these, suparikshita means people who have been totally scanned or examined. Suparikshitaihi. Mantribihi. So what type of mantris should a king engage? The poem tells you what type of ministers should a king engage. A king's minister should be antasara, they should be strong from within, they should not be kutila, they should be very straightforward, and they should be faultless, achidraihi, chidra rahitaihi, dosha rahitaihi, they should be, and suparikshitaihi, and they must have been already examined thoroughly. Mantrivihi, tadrushaihi, mantri, such, with such minister, dharyate rajyam, a kingdom is held. A kingdom is held, is sustained by such ministers only. Like what? Sustambhaihi iva mandiram. Like a mandiram, like a temple is sustained, superstructure is maintained by strong pillars. So these people, ete tatra amatyaha varnitaha, ye gunaha atra varnitaha santi, te gunaha stambhaha iva bhavanti, mandirasya stambhaha iva bhavanti. Evameva rajyam api tatra amatyeshu adharitam bhavati. Amatyaha sarvepi stambhaha iva bhavanti rajyasya. They are like the pillars of the kingdom. Therefore, they should have these qualities. Antasaraihi, akutilaihi, achidraihi, suparikshitaihi, mantrivihi. Dharyate rajyam. This is passive voice. Etadrushaihi mantrivihi sachivaihi rajyam dharyate. Dhru dharane, to hold. A kingdom is held or sustained by such ministers. Like a temple or any mansion, mandiram could be mansion or temple, mansion is held on its strong pillars. So nothing more. Nice contribution of this poem is okay. Then asiti tamaha slokaha agachati avirodha nashyati. Virodha avirodha nashyati. Let us see what it is.
Vamimau grasato bhumihi sarpo vileshayaniva rajanam chavirodharam brahmanam chapravasidam. Vau imau grasate bhumihi sarpaha vileshayan iva rajanam cha avirodharam brahmanam cha apravasinam.
Now, avirodha means here one who does not confront his enemy. Sa raja yaha shatrubihi na yuddham kartum ichhati. Virodham kartum na ichhati yaha saha avirodhi. Avirodha raja nashyati. A king who cannot face the enemy, oppose his enemy, will perish. It is like, because kings must always be on expansion of their kingdom. So let us see. Padachada is done. Anvayartha.
Avirodharam rajanam apravasinam brahmanam cha imau bhumihi sarpaha iva vileshayan
grasate. Very simple Anvayartha. Avirodharam rajanam. A king who does not confront or oppose his enemy. Apravasinam brahmanam. A learned person who does not travel much, take to traveling. He should travel. Learned person should travel. In ancient times, they used to travel a lot. By that, they used to gain knowledge. Brahmanaha panditaha asti parantu pravasam na karoti. Gramam tyaktva na bahir gacchati. Gramam nya त्यजति परंतु विश्व जगद्गुरु भवितुं न अर्हति. यथा अस्माकं भगवत्पादाः शंकराचार्याः केरले उत्पन्न जाताः कालडीतः कश्मीर पर्यन्तं पादाभ्याम् अगच्छन्ति महानुभाव. So he travelled on foot from Kaladi to Kerala, I mean Kashmir. Not a joke in those days. So a Brahmana should be taking to travelling. Apravasinam, untravelling learned person. Imau dvau, these two people, bhumihi sarpaha iva bileshayan grasati. These two people will be finished like bileshayan tatra bileshayan jantun sarpaha yatha grasati tatra bhumihi grasati. The earth will eat them up. Means they will be finished. A Brahmana who does not travel and a king who does not oppose. These people will be finished like the snake eating away the creatures lying in the ant hole. Not got it?
Grasate.
Grasate means swallows. Swallows. Grasanam. Grasate. Sarpaha bileshayan tatra mushakan yatha grasate तथा भूमि ही एतौ द्वौ अवीर पुरुषौ I don't know we can say अविरोद्धारं राजानं अप्रवासिनं ब्राह्मणं च ग्रसते. भूमि ही ग्रसते. So भावार्थ you can read.
यथा सर्पः बिले विद्यमानं मूषकं
निगलति. ग्रसते नाम निगलति.
तथा भूमिः इमौ द्वौ ग्रसते.
So यथा just as सर्पः बिले विद्यमानम अथवा बिले विद्यमानान मूषकान, it could be one mouse or many mouses. बिले विद्यमानान मूषकान तत्र निगलति. निगलति नाम तत्र ग्रसते. तथा तद्वदेव भूमिः अपि इमौ द्वौ पुरुषौ. इमौ द्वौ कौ पुरुषौ कीदृशौ पुरुषौ उपरि तत्र वर्णितौ अविरोद्धारं च अप्रवासिनं च. इमौ द्वौ पुरुषौ भूमिः ग्रसते निगलति. तौ च यस्य राज्ञः शत्रुं प्रतिरोद्धुं साहसं न अस्ति. They are, तौ च means they are, यस्य राज्ञः whichever king शत्रुं प्रतिरोद्धुं साहसं न अस्ति. That king who has no guts to confront his enemy, who has no guts to confront his enemy. Tasya nrupasya shatrum pratirodhum, to oppose. Literally means to oppose or to confront only. Opposition is confrontation. Shatrum pratirodhum sahasam na asti. One who cannot stand before his enemy. Sa Raja, that king. And Anyaha Purushaha kaha, yaha Parivrajakaha. Now here the interpretation says Parivrajaka. The text says Brahmana Srinivas. Brahmana means learned man. He can be a Parivrajaka also. A Panditaha, yaha Panditaha Deshatanam na karoti. That scholar who does not travel in the country. So these two people will be finished by the earth, Mother Earth. Is it clear? Anything more? Idam Shabda Imau Dvau. Imau Dvau. Avirodharam Rajanam. Avirodha Raja Apravasi Brahmanaha. Avirodha Raja Apravasi Brahmanaha. Etau Dvau Imau Dvau Purushau Bhumihi Grasate. the earth will eat them up. Now it is, I remember that quotation famous, Veera Bhogya Vasundhara. There is a saying, Veera Bhogya Vasundhara, Yam Vasundhara, this earth is fit to be enjoyed only by Veeras. King must be always valorous, otherwise he will be eaten by his enemies and also the mother. Here it says mother will eat, earth will eat. Bhumihi grasati, this sloka says. But otherwise, Veera Bhogya Vasundhara, Iyam Vasundhara, Iyam Prithvi, Veeraihi eva Bhogya Bhavati, Natu Aviraihi, Natu Kataraihi, Natu Etadrusha Bhyam. Not by cowards, not by others, only the valorous can enjoy this earth. So king should be very, very oppressing, dashing and opposing his enemy. That is the thing. We can go to the Sambandha Sloka, 2 only are there.
Nitya Mudyata Dandaha Syan Nityam Vivruta Paurushaha Nityam Samruta Samvaryo Nityam Chidranusaryarehe.
This is again Manusmriti, both are from Manusmriti. Nityam means always, Padacheda. Udyata Dandaha. Udyataha Dandaha Yena Saha. He by whom the Danda is raised. That means the king should always be ready to strike his enemy. What is the Danda representation of? Yadi kaschit Purushaha Dandamadaya Gacchati Tarhi Tasya Samipe Adhikaraha Vartati. Adhikari eva danda dhari bhavati. Kalu. Like our police cops. This is a symbol of punishment. Danda is a punishment. Danda means punishment. In fact, Danda Niti we have. Danda Niti means the policy of punishment, how to punish and how to do justification. So Nityam Sada Udyata Dandaha Syat Padachedam. Nityam Vivruta Paurushaha. Vivrutam Prakashitam Paurusham Yasya Saha. Vivruta Paurusha. Always is Paurusha means Paurusha means power, Srinivas. Always the king's power should be displayed. People should know, his enemies should know that he is a very powerful. Now this is very natural only. If supposing in the modern context, if we Indians cannot display our power, then our enemies are all the time waiting to grapple us, devour us, grasate, just like grasitum icchanti asmakam ye shatravaha santi tatra. Unless any country is posing itself, showing itself of nobody can attack us. So that is what this says. Vivruta Paurushaha. Raja Vivruta Paurushaha. Vivruta Paurusham means Vivrutam Paurusham Yena Saha. He, that person by whom the power is already displayed, exhibited. Power is exhibited. I am powerful, so nobody can come to me. Next line. Nityam Samvruta Samvaryaha. Samvruta means here covered. Samvruta means covered, secured, protected. Samvruta Samvaryaha. That means his secret planning should always be guarded. Samvruta means covered, protected, secured. A king's secrets should always be guarded, concealed. Samvruta Samvaryaha. Samvrutam Samyak Varyam. His secret should be maintained Samvarya means to be, Varanartha is there, no? Varana means preventing. Varana is there. Samyak Varya, Yat Prayoga, to be Covered, Srinivas. To be covered. Samvarya means samrakshya. Samvarya means rakshitavya. You can take that. Samvarya means samvruta rakshitavyaha. Samvrutam nama rahasyam. Rahasyam rakshitavyaha. Rakshita, sorry. Rahasya rakshitavyaha. There is a verb like vru varane, Srinivas. Vru to cover, surround is there. From that this varya comes. Samyak varya. Well, it should be well protected. That is the meaning. Well secured. What should be well secured? Try to understand. Samvrutam. Samvrutam means rahasyam. A protected thing should be well protected. A secret thing should be protected. That is the meaning here. Any secret thing should be protected well. Rahasyam gopaniyam. Gopyam gopaniyam. Rahasyam rakshitavyam. Understand? Rahasyam rakshitavyam. Nityam, always. His secret should not be exposed. Always be protected. That is the meaning of samvruta samvaryaha. Nityam, again Nityam. Chidra anusaryaha. Sorry, wait a minute. Chidranusari arehe. Oh, here is sandhi. Nityam chidra anusari plus arehe. A king should always be looking for the mistakes of his opponent. How do you break this last word? Chidra anusari arehe. Chidra anusari arehe. Yanadesha sandhi. Chidranusaryane arehe. Chidranusaryane means Chidra plus Anusari plus arehe. That means a king should always be looking for, always exploring the weakness, finding out the weakness of his Ari, Shatru. Shatroho Chidrani Tatra Anusaret. Anusari. Anusari means he should be tracking the weaknesses of his enemy all the time. Now that is what is going on now. Whenever there is a loophole, any lapse in the security, our country is attacked. Chidran, Shatravaha Chidranveshana. They do the Chidranveshana. They go on looking for the shortcomings, where lapses are there in security, they enter. So, do you get this? Yes, sir. So, the poem says, let a king be always ready to strike. That is, Nityam Udyata Dandaha means, let a king be always ready to strike his enemy. Nityam Raja Udyata Dandaha Bhavet. He should be ready to strike. Nextly, Syat means should be. Bhavet in Syat. Understand? Syat, Vidiling, Asadatu, Syat, Syatam, Syuhu. You can substitute as Bhavet is. Raja, Nityam, Udyata Dandaha Bhavet. A king should always be ready to strike his enemies, understood. Nityam, always, Raja, Vibruta Paurushaha Bhavet. A king should always be, always expose his power. Thirdly, Nityam, always, Raja, Samvruta Samvaryaha Bhavet. He should always be protecting his secret plans. And finally, Nityam Raja Chidranusari Arehe Bhavet. He should be Chidranusari Bhavet Arehe. A king should always be looking to the defects or the shortcomings of his enemy. Chidranusari Arehe. Arishabda, you know, na? Are Shatroho. Shatroho Chidranusari Bhavet Raja. A king should always be looking to the weaknesses of his enemy. So that is how. Shall I write to this? Chidranusari? Sandhi? What is the poem number? Main 80? 80? 80? 88. Okay. Sambandha Sloka 1.
Shudra plus Anusari plus Rehe.
So here is that Sandhi. Anusariyarehe. Chidram means any defect, doshaha or whatever is. And one more, samvrita samvaryaha. That is only samvrutasya samvaryaha bhavet. Rahasasya samvaryaha. Next poem, Srinivas.
नित्यम् उद्यतदण्डस्य कृष्णमुद्विजते जगत् तस्मात् सर्वाणि भूतानि दण्डेनैव प्रसादयेत्
Again, Nityam Udyata Danda, same thing. I think same wording is used. Nityam Udyata Dandasya Krishnam Udvijate Jagat. That means a king who is ever ready to strike his enemy, the whole world, Jagat Sarvam. Udvijate means, Srinivas, this world fears. This entire world fears that king who is ever ready to strike. Nityam Udyata Dandasya Nrupasya. Understood? Nityam Udyata Dandasya Rajnaha Krishnam Samastam. Krishnam Nama Samastam. Samastam Jagat. This goes. Krishnam Jagat Udvijate Vibheti. Fears. The entire world fears the king who is ever ready to strike. Srinivas. The whole world stands in fear. Udvija, the dhatu is there. Udvija. Here, Udvija, Atmanepada, Udvijate. To tremble, to fear. Literally to tremble. The whole world trembles looking at such a powerful king. Next line. Tasmat, therefore, sarvani bhutani dandena eva prasadayet. So, therefore, let a king, therefore, please all beings, sarvani bhutani. How? By Dandena eva, by only proper punishment. That means, not here, it does not mean punishing the good. If the king punishes the wrong people, then there will be justice done. So, tasmat sarvani bhutani dandena eva prasadayet. The king should please, therefore, all the subjects by the proper employment of punishment. By proper employment of the force or punishment. That means when danda is properly given, implemented, people will be happy. That is, what is danda otherwise in modern law and order? If the country, if in any country law and order is well maintained, people will be happy, pleased. Isn't it? If law and order is gone to dogs, then people will suffer. So whose responsibility is it? Law and order, that is the king's. So that is what Manu says here. Nityam Udyata Dandasya कृष्णम उद्विजते जगत् एतत् कृष्णम जगत् समस्तं जगत् नित्यम उद्यत दंडस्य राज्ञः उद्विजते बिभेति तस्मात् सर्वाणि भूतानि दंडेनैव प्रसादयेत् तस्मात् सर्वाणि भूतानि दंडेनैव प्रसादयेत् राजा ए किंग शुड प्लीज देयरफॉर all the living beings with proper employment of the punishment, etc. So here nityam same thing is there. Bhutani, you know, sarvani bhutani dandena eva prasadayet toshayet. Prasadayet nama toshayet. Dandena eva prasadayet toshayet. Can we go to next? Oh, abhyasas are coming. So here nothing is there. Abhyasah shodashah. Sloka sankhya purnam. As you know, first one. Now in this exercise on page 160 Srinivas, there is a defect. Slokas are not given printed properly. You can check that small. So they have to go to page, go back to see the original sloka. Page 155 they have to go. Those who have books can go back, otherwise they have to go into the video clip. Okay, let us do the first one here. Pare shatravaha yasya krutyam mantram mantritam. That is there on the poem first, 76 poem. Krutyam mantram mantritam vana jananti asya krutameva jananti savai pandita uchyate. This poem is there. Second poem is printing is gone. So what do you fill up here? Yasya krutyam mantram mantritam vana jananti asya krutameva jananti savai pandita uchyati. So pick up these words. Krutyam mantram mantritam. 2. Raja Aishwaryam Ashnuti. That is gone, I think. So that is what I am saying. If you can show them, go back to the second poem. On page 55, can we go to page 55? Yeah, 155. That poem is there. Sa sarvata chakshuhu raja chiram aishwaryam ashnuti yasya mantram ye brahmanāschabhyantara abhyantaraha cha. Now next filling of the dash is yasya mantram ye brahmanāschabhyantarascha. First line. Brahmanāscha abhyantarascha and na jananti. That is done. Third poem is also not fully given. Dash Visharaso ekam hanti. Visharaso ekam hanti shastrena ekaha vadhyati. Oh, it is given here. This poem is given. They can look to same page. Visharaso shastrena. Third one, mantra viplavaha sarastram saprajam rajanam hanti. Sarastram saprajam rajanam hanti. 4. Is it okay?
Yes,
4.
Mahabalena Raja.
I think this is gone. This poem is not printed then. We have to go to Mahabalena. Just now we studied that. What is the poem? Yeah, poem number 79. Mahabalena. Oh, wait a minute. Ragna it is. There is a mistake here. Raja is given. Ragna. Here there is a mistake, okay? Mahabalena Rajna Chatvari dash. Dash is Chatvari. Varjyani Ahuhu. Okay? Only Chatvari. And this Raja is Rajna Shabda. Next, Panditaha dash Tani. Tani should come in there, Srinivas. Panditaha Tani Vidyat Janiyat. Next dash Alpagnaihi Dirghasutraihi Rabhasaihi Charanaischa Saha Mantram na Kuryat. What we just studied, that is the thing. Is it okay? I repeat, Alpagnaihi Dirgha Sutraihi Rabhasaischa Rabhasai Charanaihi Cha Saha Mantram na Kuryat. The poem we just studied. And the last one, Dvamimau. This poem also, only one line is given. Bhumihi imau dvau grasati. Srinivas. Bhumihi imau dvau grasati. Dvau, dash is dvau. Avirodharam rajanam apravasinam brahmanam yatha sarpaha bile shayan grasati. So dvau, next rajanam, next brahmanam, and bile shayanam. Okay? Evam prathamaamshah samaptah dvitiyamshah sandhi vichedam, whatever sandhis are coming now. First one is simple, eva plus asya, evasya, savarnadila sandhi. Panditaha uchyati, this is visarga lopa sandhi, pandita uchyati. Then third one is bahyaha cha abhyantaraha cha, visarga sandhi ubhayatra, bahyaha cha abhyantaraha cha. So you had a doubt, I think, abhyantara. Abhyantarasya, abhyantare bhavaha. Abhyantaram means in between. Abhyantarasya bhavaha abhyantaram. The means lying in between. That is how that word is used. Abhyantaram. So that is done. Next one. Sarvataha, very simple. Both ways visarga sandhi. Sarvataha plus chakshuhu plus chiram, sarvatas chakshus chiram. 5. Just to break it, visharasaha. Hanti, visharaso, hanti, simple. Visargasya okara, visharaso, hanti. Next, 6th. Ekaha plus cha. 2 sandhis are there. Shastrena plus ekaha, that is vruddhi, and visarga. Shastrenaikascha. 7. Varjyani plus ahu. Varjyani plus ahu. Varjanyahu. Okay, na? 7, 8. Panditaha tani visarga. Panditastani. 8, 9. Again, rabhasaihi charadaihi cha. Visarga. 10th. Dva vimau ayadi sandhi. This is ayavaya sandhi. Echo. Dvau plus imau. Dva vimau. Do you think need to write? No. Imau. Next is imau. Yam imau. Dvau imau. Dva vimau. Ayadi sandhi. 11. Sarpaha. Vileshayan, Sarpo Vileshayan, this is Visarga. Sarpo Vileshayan. Then 11, 12. Cha plus Avirodharam, Savarna, sorry. Cha plus Avirodham, Cha Avirodham, Virodharam. Next. Cha plus Apravasinam. This is also Savarna Divisanti. Cha Pravasinam. So, evam Abhyasa Sankhya Shodasha Abhyasasya Dvitiyamshaha Samaptaha. Trutiyamshaha Ekena Padena Uttaram Deyam. One word answer should be given here. Shatravaha Panditasya Kim Eva Jananti. Shatravaha Panditasya Kim Eva. What do the enemies know of the king? Krutam. Shatravaha Panditasya Krutam Eva Jananti. Krutam is the answer in the place of Kim. Krutam Eva Jananti. 2. What is the Abhyantara? What is the opposite word for Bahyaha, Viloma? Atra Bahyaha iti shabdasya kaha Viloma shabda. What is the antonym of the Bahyaha? Abhyantaraha asti. Kaha you take out. Kaha Vilomaha shabda. Viloma shabda you can read. Shabdasya Abhyantaraha iti Viloma shabdaha asti. Next. Kena ekaha vadhyati. Take out kena. Shastrena ekaha vadhyati. Shastrena ekaha vadhyati. Kena shastrena. 4. Visharasaha, that first one. Visharasaha ekam hanti. Take out kaha. Visharasaha ekam hanti. Varjyani ahu. Just now we studied. By a powerful king, what are the things to be avoided? So, Chatvari, Kati, you take out. Kati is a interrogative word showing number, na? Kitne? Kati. Chatvari. Mahabalena Ragna Chatvari Varjyani ahu. 6th. Sarpaha kan grasati. Sarpaha bileshayan grasati. Sarpaha kan grasati bileshayan. And the last one, next 8th, 7th. Ka bhumihi. Ka is bhumihi. What swallows the unopposing king? Question is, what swallows the unopposing king? Ka nama kimartam ka iti prashnaha atra? Uttarasya api tatra strilingatvat. Uttara, because the answer is also feminine, therefore the question is put in feminine. Ka bhumihi. Yes. Last one. Achiram iti. What is the opponent of the word achiram? Chiram. Achiram iti asya chiram viloma shabdaha prayuktaha atra. So, evam trutiyamshaha api samaptaha. Chaturtamshaha purnena vakyena tatra lekhaniyam. Kidrushaha raja panditaha uchyati. So, you have to go to poem 76. Then start with Yasya Krutyam Na Jananti Mantram Va Mantritam Pare. The whole poem is put it. That Sa Vai Pandita Uchyate. That entire poem right. That is the answer for this one. 2. Ashnuti. Again, Yasya Mantram Na Jananti. Again the same. Bhashyascha Sa Raja Chiram Aishwaryam Ashnuti. I repeat, Yasya Mantram Na Jananti. This is poem 77. Yasya Mantram Na Jananti Bhashyascha Abhyantarascha Sa Raja Chiram Aishwaryam Ashnuti. 3. Mantra Viplavaha Kidrusham Rajanam Nashayati. Mantra Viplavaha Sarastram Saprajam Rajanam. Kidrusham should be substituted with Mantra Viplava. Carry on with that word. सराष्ट्रम सप्रजम राजानम नाशयति. Leakage of secrecy destroys the country along with that king, along with the country and the people. Right? अत्र वयं स्थापयामः. शुभं भूयात्.